Dark Rounds Icon Pack is an Android application designed to provide users with a collection of uniquely styled icons to enhance the visual appearance of their home screens and app drawers. This icon pack features a dark, rounded aesthetic that appeals to users who prefer a sleek and modern look for their device's interface. Typically, Dark Rounds Icon Pack includes a wide variety of icons that cover numerous apps and system functions, ensuring users can easily find and apply designs that suit their personal style. The pack is often designed to be compatible with popular launchers, allowing for easy installation and application to create a cohesive theme across all icons. In addition to the extensive library of icons, the app may offer features such as regular updates with new icons, custom wallpapers to complement the icons, and support for icon masking to ensure that unthemed icons fit seamlessly within the overall aesthetic. Overall, Dark Rounds Icon Pack serves as a creative and visually appealing tool for users looking to personalize their Android devices with a stylish and unified design.